Welcome to my channel. Bienvenido a mi canal. Well, in today's makeup look, I created this springtime look. And if you guys want to see how I created this look, then please stay tuned. I miss you guys so freaking much. Miss recording. I miss doing makeup. I have my new setup here. I have my makeup room set up. So I'm going to be giving you more content, more makeup looks. But anyways, I'm talking too much. But if you guys want to see how I created this look, then please stay tuned and catch me on that side over there. So I already primed my eyes off camera and I used the Peas Louise base, and this is in Rumor 3. I don't know if you can see that. Peas Louise base, Rumor 3. I already placed that on my lid and I already blended, so we're just going to begin with this eye tutorial. I have purple on, so maybe we'll play with some purples, some lavenders, and some blues. I'm gonna use a flat brush. Actually, I'm gonna use a bigger brush. Find a bigger brush. I'm gonna use this fluffy brush right here, just like that. And I'm just going to be placing this blue color right here. And I'm gonna place that on half of the lid. Excuse my face, it's a little shiny and oily. I just put moisturizer on my face, so that's the reason why it looks so moisturized and so oily. And I have my lights here, so that's why it's looking kind of sweaty. But I'm not sweaty, guys. Do not think I'm sweaty. I am not. This is just the light and the moisturizer just to prep my face when I begin to start my makeup. So I'm gonna press this blue color right here. It's springtime, so let's get some color, guys. I want some color. So I'm gonna dab that color right here in the eyes. I want that color to be super bright and super pigmented. Look how bright is that blue. I'm loving this color payoff. So we're just gonna do it halfway with the blue. Springtime is colorful, super vibrant, super beautiful. So that's what we're going to be doing today, guys. Guys, did you guys miss me? I haven't recorded for like 3 weeks, but I am back and I'm trying to have my routine and my schedule ready for you guys because I have not been posting. But if you guys know, I moved like 3 weeks ago, so I had to get everything ready, the house situated, because it was a hot mess. With when you guys know, when you're moving, you have a lot going on, boxes, just everything is just in the way, messy, dirty. I was just so overwhelmed and so stressed out, but we are here. So I am back. So I just got done fixing my beauty room. So my beauty room is like 75% done. But yeah, guys, I'm just getting everything ready. I'm trying to get my kids' room ready too. I'm loving the new place. I'm loving my house. I'm loving just the big space and everything. And comment down below if you guys want to see a home tour, because I'm excited to show you that. If you guys want to see it, just let me know, because I will be happy to record a home tour. I don't know if you guys seen it, but my old house, I was like super into farmhouse, super into the farmhouse theme. But now I'm so into like the whites and the golds and just everything so bright. It's just beautiful. And tell you the truth, I don't have anything farm in my house right now. Like, I got rid of it all. So right now is like super modern and I am loving it. It's like modern glam. So I can't wait to show you that if you guys want to see that look. But anyways, I'm going to be grabbing this purple right here and I'm going to place that on the half of the crease. So I'm going to place that. I'm going to clean my brush. I'm using the same brush, guys. See if I can find. And I'm just going to clean it up with this. And I'm going to be using the same brush. I'm going to use this purple color right here. And I'm going to place that in the center. So right here. This eyeshadow is super pigmented. I don't know if you guys have used this, but this is like, this been out a long time ago. This is beautiful. I'm loving that color. Now I'm going to be bringing this color right here. It's like an orangey brown color, and I'm going to put it on the side, and I'm just blending it in now, just like that. Now I want to darken this color right here in the outer corner. I want to darken it up. So I'm going to use this plummy color right here, and this is Go Home. And I'm going to place that right here in the outer corner. I'm going to blend it out with this fluffy brush. And I'm going to just do circular motion. I'm liking that. That looks really, really pretty. And then I'll just grab that lavender purpley color, and I just place it right here where I placed that purple color, just to bring it out a little more. So beautiful, guys. I'm loving this. I really haven't used this type of color before, but I'm like loving everything about this shadow. So beautiful and super pigmented. Now all I'm going to do now is just bring out all the colors back. So I'm going to grab that blue color and just brighten it up again, because we want that color to be super intense. I mean, why not? It's springtime, it's bright time, you know what I mean? Clean my brush, then grab that purple color again and just bring it back to life. And a little trick, if you want that bright color, just make sure you tap it and then grab that plummy color. I didn't put nothing on my brush, I'm just going to blend it. Now I'm just going to grab another fluffy brush like this, and I'm going to grab this color right here, just like that. Tap that product out. Oop. And just blend all that out. Now I'm going to grab a smaller flat brush like this. I don't know if you can see that. Grab this color right here. Place that right up top on the brow bone. I'm just going to place a little bit of that black color in the outer corner just to smoke it out just a little bit. And I'm just going to press it right here. I didn't put too much black because I still want that plum color to show, that burgundy color. And then I'm going to grab a clean brush and I'm just going to blend it out. I don't want no harsh lines. I'm gonna put a wing liner on, so I'm going to be using my Tarte Tortoise, and this is in black, and I'm gonna use the pencil side, and I'm gonna wing my eyes. I like this because it's super black. I want the wing to be black. So I'm just going to do, I'm doing a small wing for now, and then if you guys want, you can gradually make it bigger. Just like that. I'm loving the wing. Now I'm going to do the other eye. All right, I'm loving the eyes. The eyes looking gorgeous, and that wing just made it pop. While my lashes are drying up, we're going to finish up the face. We're going to prime our face, and I'm going to be using Sayate Lande, and this is the Watermelon Burst Hydration Primer. If you guys need hydration, this primer is it. This will give you all the hydration you need. Okay, face is prime. And I'm just going to be using my Superstay Full Coverage Foundation. And this is from Maybelline. 320 Honey Medium. I'm using this right now because I got a little bit of a suntan, so my skin is a little bit darker than usual. So I'm going to use this one. I haven't used this one in a long time, and I love this foundation. So for now, we're going to use it because my skin is a little bit bronzier. But yeah, guys, I miss doing makeup tutorials. I miss this so much, and I hope you guys do miss me, because I really wanted to record, but I just didn't have the equipment. I didn't have anything to record. But I'm here, guys, and I miss you so much. And you don't understand, like, I enjoy this. Like, I enjoy editing. I enjoy making videos. Perfect. I'm loving it. This looks good. It looks perfect for my skin tone right now. So I'm going to be using my Born This Way, and this is from Too Faced, and this is Sand Concealer. And I'm going to place that underneath my eyes. This is kind of my color, so I'm going to use this one for now, and then I'm going to use a lighter one just to brighten underneath the eyes. I'm going to be using this powder first, and this is from Tarte. I don't know if you guys can see that, and this is medium. And I'm going to set my face, my whole face, with this powder. Just grab that and just set my whole face first before I set the concealer. I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty, and this is Pro Filter, and this is Butter. I'm going to set my underneath my eyes. I haven't used this yet, brand new. I'm going to take it out. Like that, and we're going to set underneath our eyes. This smells so good, guys. It smells like a cake, like vanilla. Contour my face. I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty, and this is Cocoa Naughty. This color right here. I'm going to use this brush, and I'm going to warm up my face. You know what? I just love everything from Fenty Beauty. Rihanna does an amazing job when it comes to makeup in general. So, but I'm gonna do my jawline because we want that jaw to be snatched. All right, actually, let me put a little bit more of that setting powder. Line that jaw like that, just like that. I'm gonna use this powder brush, and I'm going to be using this blush right here, and this is Show Me Your Cheeks blush, and this is Peach Pink from Elizabeth Matte. This is so beautiful. Look at that color. It has like golden specks on it. Super cute. I'm loving this blush. You know me, I like to put blush on, so we're going to blush it up. It legit has that golden specks on the cheeks. Looks like Dolly. I can go overboard with blush. I'm gonna do mint underneath my eyes. I'm gonna use this color right here, and I'm gonna place that underneath the waterline. Actually, let's use this pencil brush right here. This pencil brush, like that. And I'm going to place that underneath the waterline. I love that. So pretty. That's pretty. Now I'm just going to use LA Girl Shockwave Neon Eyeliner. And I'm just going to place that in my waterline. I haven't used this. Look, brand new. Look how cute is that. Ah, super pretty. I'm gonna place that on my waterline just to bring out that mint green. Oh, that's so cute. It like woke my eyes up. Look how beautiful is that. Look like it looks like a doll. Like I love it. I love it. I love playing with colors. I love playing with bright colors. I am not scared. This is gorgeous, guys. Gorgeous. Alrighty, now I'm just gonna put some mascara underneath the waterline, and I'm gonna be using the Bad Girl Bang from Benefit. I'm gonna be using my Juvia's Place, this lipstick right here, and this is in Me. Looks something like this, super cute. And I'm just going to place that. I'm not even going to put no lip liner or anything like that. I'm just going to put this lipstick on. Now I'm going to spray my face. I'm going to be using the Dewy Set from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm going to set my face. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoy this springtime makeup tutorial. I fell in love with this beautiful look. And if you guys want to see some more makeup tutorials, then please comment down below and let me know. I hope you guys enjoy this, and please give it a big thumbs up. Please comment, because I love talking to you guys and I love your comments. And until my next video, guys, bye bye.